In today's lesson, we will be learning te form of the verbs. There are multiple places where this particular form of the verb is used. Say, for example, whenever we use present progressive form, or when we list out successive actions in their order of occurrence, or when we refer the action of giving and receiving, or when we request the other person to do something, or when an action has to be done after another action, etc. Now let us see some example. Kaku, that is the root or dictionary form for the action write. But the same verb has to be converted as kaite to be used in certain places. Now let us consider the sentence please write. So we have to say kaite kudasai in Japanese. We cannot say kaku kudasai. Same way, taberu has to be converted as tabete, and isogu has to be converted as isoide. So last letter of each verb is getting replaced by different set of letters, right? So let us learn the rules for conversion. We know that the Japanese verbs ends with only u sound. U, ku, gu, su, nu, bu, mu, or ru. First group can end with any of these letters. And these first group verbs can be classified into 5 different categories based on their last letter. Say, for example, u, su, ru is clubbed together because in te form, these letter gets replaced by itte. Same way, nu, bu, mu ending verbs, the last letter will be replaced by inde. Ku will become ite, gu will become ide, and su will become shite. Now let us see some examples from group 1. Let us pick up u, su, ru ending verbs. Okay, we know that it has to be replaced with itte, right? So let us pick up avu. Avu will become atte. The u gets dropped off and itte is added. So the te form of avu is atte. Same way, tatsu is a verb which is ending with the letter su. So we know the rule. Su ending letter has to be replaced with itte. So tatsu will become tatte. Same way, suvaru. Suvaru is ru ending verb. Ru has to be replaced with itte. So suvaru will become suvatte. Now let us see nu, bu, mu ending verbs. We know that nu, bu, mu will be replaced by inde. So shinu will become shinde. Tobu will become tonde. And sumu will become sunde. Now let us see how the verbs with the ku ending sound changes. Ku will become ite, right? So kaku will become kaite. Suku will become suite. And naku will become naite. Same way, let us see some gu ending verbs. Gu ending verb has to be replaced with ide, right? The letter gu has to be replaced with ide. So oyogu will become oyoide. Nugu will become nuide. Isogu will become isoide. Now let us see how the su ending verbs gets converted. The last letter su will become shite, right? So watasu will become watashite. Hanasu will become hanashite. Dasu will become dashite. Let us move on to group 2 verbs. We know that group 2 verbs can only end with letter ru. So that last letter ru has to be replaced by te to get the te form. So let us pick up some group 2 verbs and see how it gets conjugated. Deru. Deru will become dete. Okiru will become okite. Taberu becomes tabete. It's very simple to remember. You have to just replace the last letter with te. So now let us move on to group 3 verbs. Group 3 verbs will also end with letter ru. Since there are only two verbs in group 3, it's easy to remember. Suru and kuru, right? Suru will become shite, kuru will become kite. The point to remember here is both the letter gets conjugated. Su becomes she and then ru gets dropped off and te is added. Same way, ku will become ki and then ru gets dropped off and te is added.